everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Hamilton Beach toaster oven. So this is amazing for so many reasons. You can toast, you can bake, and you can broil. It has all different settings with 3 little knobs here. The knobs let you control the temperature, the function that you want it at, and then also does have a timer one. The knobs are contoured, so they're super easy to use. I love this because unlike other toaster ovens that usually open from the top, so the door is down here, this one actually rolls up like this. So you're not gonna have any spills or crumbs falling onto the door. It's up and out of the way, which I totally love. It does have a little rack in here, and there's 2 positions you can have the rack in. It also does come with this little baking tray that you can use for toast or whatever you're trying to just bake or broil or toast in there. Also, this part down here slides out, and this is the part that's going to catch all of your spills, your crumbs, any kind of messes. So this is super easy to take out. You just rinse it off, dry it, and you can put it right back in. So this will toast or bake up to 6 slices of bread. It'll also fit a 12-inch like personal pizza, just to give you an idea of what size it is and how much you can fit in there. So give me 1 minute and I will show you an up close so you can kind of get a better view. Okay, so now that you have seen it up close, you've seen all the little features, it's really nice, it fits really well on your counter, and it just looks really sleek and clean. I just absolutely love it. So if you are looking for something like this, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.